Right, right, I'm in my office. My play office really, but it's my office. I've been talking all week about on a few of the videos that I've got something special coming, and it arrived this morning. This might give you a clue. Right, so I'm gonna undo the packing. Took I ordered this about 3 weeks ago, and the little doll ship's engine turned up first. I had two quite special machines turn up this week at the same time. But this one, I've been looking for one of these for a long time, and really, they don't come up for sale very often in the UK. Oh, let me scissors under there. Got the scissors under there. Just took it out of a big box. Look out of a big box. Huge box. This is going to be something else. Don't normally do unboxings, but quite excited about this one. Reproduction of Marklin steam engine from the 1930s. High pressure, low pressure cylinders. Right, now let's see what we got, because the description where I bought it says never been used. And these were built as a limited run production in 2004. Just wonder how you get it out. Just trying to look so I can position the box properly. I think that's the bottom. And that's the bottom of the box. Put that back. Let's see if we can get this to stand it up. Don't know. Confused.com. Right, so that's how you do it. I'll have to put the camera down for a sec. Well, it looks like the original description was correct. Original user manual. Chimney. But that's heavy. That's heavy. Let's put things up here. Put things up here. It's one of my other hobbies. Amateur radio. Oh, we're not doing it now. What have we got here? Steam oil. Some little trays. I'm not entirely sure what they are. Got the wicks. Spare wick. It's nice brass. And yeah, another mushroom. Let's tighten that. I know what it is. It's the weight. The safety arm. Look at that. Burner, original burner. Even got a little spanner in there, look. And correct little place for it. Looks like a guarantee card. registration card. It's never been registered. Funnel. A little bit of tube. Not sure what they are. Them little. Put them up over the back. It'll work. Little hook. Not sure what that is. Right, now I've seen people do this before. I saw someone done an unboxing the other day. Now the whole box has to be flipped completely up the other way, so bear with me, because that is the lid. All this lot was in the base. Direction. So that's not the base, but you have to take that other bit off before you can, because the base sits on that other part. Oh, no way. No way. Look at that. Look at that. Oh dear. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. Look at that, little mark on it. Oh dear. Not a mark on it. This is just unboxing. Later on I'm going to do a review on it. I'm going to go through every detail of it. This is just unboxing. I've got 4 oilers. This is your high pressure piston cylinder. The small one is the high pressure and the big one is the low pressure. This is your water pump. Look at that. So that goes on there, give it the full effect. Look at that. What about that? It's unbelievable, because I've never ever had a new machine before. And look at that. First machine I've ever had where that's not been seized up. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Right, now I'll tell you what I know is these were brought out in 2004 as a limited edition run of a reproduction of a 1930s Marklin. So someone bought this in 2004, brand new, and never used it. It's never ever been used. So it's 22 years old, never been used. So then there's a dilemma. Do I steam it or just run it on air? Personally, I'd like to see it in steam. It's a steam engine. Personally, I'd like to see it in steam. But that's a dilemma. That's a big dilemma. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. To say this is a keeper is an understatement. I'm even recording without my normal mic because I was so excited. So that feels so smooth. Okay. Where's the weight? And then got my glasses on. that screw wants undoing. Can't do it with one hand. Screw needs undoing. Can't do it with one hand. Oh dear. Not a mark on it. Absolutely not a mark on it. Look at it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys, because I definitely won't be lighting it up today. But it's got that speckled paintwork. Look at that. Oh, something else. This is something else. This is. Right, I'm going to leave it there, and what you will see more videos on this, but this was just an unboxing video, and I'm a little bit lost for words, to be honest. But anyway, you want to see this running and a review on it, do a like and subscribe, because there'll be a few of this, and yeah, I'm really pleased. Anyway, take it easy, guys. I'll catch you again soon.